Hello, welcome back to the Broken Doll. Alright, so today I come back to you with my little assembly line that I want to start up here. I went out and I bought some more of these bins here, but I found some others as well. So anyways, let's go through. What am I doing? I have spackling, I have dolls spackled right there. They belong in this bin right here. Okay, this is here the Dolly Record doll. She's all been ripped apart. Again, the Patsyettes. This here is this one right here that I'm working on right here. Empty, 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 and I do have one more, so there's going to be 8 on the go. I have a box that the doll I just made a video for Cheryl. It's going to go in a box until I get another bin. So I'm going to have 8 dolls on the go. That's how I want this done. So I can't get in there right now because my daughter has a birthday this Sunday and all her gifts are back in there. So I can't get down in there right now. They're all covered up because she comes in here every so often with me and we do stuff. So I don't want her to see things. So to keep things covered up, this is all covered up and everything for her. So we have surprises for her birthday on Sunday. She was born 2 days before Father's Day. And I remember when I brought her home, it was actually on Father's Day. She was born on a Friday. I brought her home on a Sunday. And my husband said to me, I didn't get a Father's Day gift. I said, yes, you did. Here she is, and she has a dirty diaper. And he went off and changed her because I was pooped out. And so was she. She was pooped out. Anyways, no, but anyhow, as it may be. Yes, this is how my assembly line is going to be. So once I get her gifts out of there, I can get back in there and start doing things again. So I just have to get to this Sunday and then I'm free again to do however I want to do this, you know, like do what I need to do. But it doesn't matter. I can still reach most things here anyways. So anyhow, I have a lot of stuff just sitting here ready to go. So I'm going to take you through each doll as I do them. And so you're going to just see me randomly just pick up a doll. It doesn't matter if it has a name or not. I'm out to empty bins. And then they're going to go into the bin again. And they're going to, until I get enough where I can start selling them. The ones I want to keep, I'll keep. The ones I want to sell, I'm going to sell. And that's how I'm going to do this here. So it should work out pretty good here. So anyways, join me back again. There's more to come on this. I'm really excited about it. And there's lots to come. So, yeah, I think this is really a good way of doing this right here, right now. But, yeah, you know, it keeps me organized. It keeps me going. Back over there, you'll see all the arms and legs right there. There they are. Let me zoom in on it. All the arms and legs are hanging up. There we go, right there. There. That I need to start sanding on Friday, Saturday. I can start sanding those. I'm really letting them harden up. And if you look really close, I wonder if you can see him. There's my daughter's cat. Don't want to get it blurry. He's in the window there, in her bedroom window. Let me see if we can get... Oh, there's Mama. There's her mummy. There's my daughter out there, yeah. She's out there doing stuff. So anyways, though, yeah, so anyhow, this is my new, I'm hoping to keep myself organized this way. All parts, all clothing, everything will go in here. Unless they're in the form of just being spackled on, just got their spackling, I should say. And if they, you know, their clothes will stay in the bin. If they've been spackled, they'll go and hang up to dry and everything, of course. But anyways, tell me what you think. I think this is on, I'm on a good start here. So get ready for the parade of dolls coming up because there's going to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know the 5th one's going to be that Bubbles that you just, Baby Dimples, I mean, that I just was working on the arms with on my video for Cheryl. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So I'm trying to keep myself busy and keep myself out here. And but boy, I've been busy this last while. Really, really busy. Actually, I'm looking at one right up there that I would like to get started on too. They're everywhere. Where are they not? Where are there not dolls that need to be worked on? They're everywhere in my shop. I have dolls tucked in corners. You know, it's just... It doesn't matter. I open up a bin and there's a doll waiting to be done. And I love it though. But maybe I'll bring some of those dolls down too. I've got another one. Look at this one. Actually, I like to work on her. I think I'm going to bring her down. That's a Monica of Hollywood doll. So I like to bring her down. That's real human hair on her head. And it's been actually embedded into the, it's rooted into the composition. We're going to bring her down. She's going into a bin. So we already know one already. It's going to be a Monica of Hollywood doll. Love it. Okay, we're moving along. Get slow but sure. But wonderful stuff all the time, isn't it? So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you like what you see here. So come along for the journey of these dolls. They're going to go through such a wonderful journey. You're going to see them in the most awful state that they're in. And you're going to see them turn into raving beauties. And have such wonderful journey to their beautifulness. So I'm excited about it. I hope you are. Like I say, you just stay tuned to my channel, and like I say, lots to come. But I'm very thankful for what I have, and I want to say something too. A lot of you out there, most of you, all of you, who comment, give me such wonderful comments of inspiration. You inspire me, you keep me going, and wonderful things that you say, and I do appreciate it. I read everybody's comment. I may not be able to comment back on everybody, but I do read everything, and I do acknowledge you by giving you a heart and everything. So I want you to know, a check mark, you know, and everything. I do that to let you know I acknowledge you. I have read you, and always lots to do here, though. I haven't got time to get into trouble, so you hear the police cars going by, it's not for me. Okay, so there you go. All right, thank you for joining me. Thank you for the kind words. I have great subscribers here and passerbyers. If you're passing by and you see me and you say, hey, that woman looks interesting, I go, I know, I get it. I am. So join us. Join these dolls. You know, not so much me, but join the dolls and see how they turn out. See them from like I say, from the beginning. Their most ucky stage to gorgeous, beautiful dolls. All right, thanks again for joining me. And we'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.